Thank you for joining me for today's edition of Credit Hacks. Grab a pen and paper because this is going to be good. Today's topic is credit building is more than just credit repair. Credit restoration is more than just writing dispute letters. It is about changing behaviors and really building trust. Having good to excellent credit is mandatory in the US and it's not just a slogan or a hashtag, it is really your buying power. It's important to have a FICO score of 700 or higher because it impacts your ability to purchase a home, buy an automobile, get a job, an apartment, secure loans and credit cards, and even the interest rate on said loan and credit cards. And many people don't know that it also affects your automobile insurance rate. Wouldn't you like to have in your wheelhouse access to credit monitoring tools that alert you when there are changes on your credit report? Where you can just contact your bank, whatever financial institution that you bank with, they should have credit monitoring tools that you can apply for at no extra cost. Did you know that you can have your rent payments reported to the top three credit bureaus and reporting agencies, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion? Get on top of your finance today without delay. And stay tuned to this channel for interviews with economists, financial executives, and as well as financial advisors and celebrities. We are here for you on your debt free journey and your journey to financial freedom. Thank you. Stay tuned. Good night.